Oh, Ghana seer. Ghana seer. Abro. Wait till you come the talk. Abro the hey, come here wait till Abro talk. Abro don't talk another one. We don't blow. I don't talk and say this Abro. No be everybody they talk to. I don't tell you and say this Abro. No be pastor. This Abro self. No be native doctor. Abro na guesser. Now if something happen, you go use her, come guess. Now you see where Abro be. Abro don't talk about OBO. Chioma. He don't talk about Chioma. See what in Abro talk about Chioma. Abro, you know Chioma. Me, I be Chioma sister. I be Chioma sister. How you take no Chioma? Because all those things where you they talk, you know they happen. Before Chioma marry OBO, we don't view everything. We don't view and say Chioma, OBO, too much. Bah, they go. Now so we view them. Spiritual world, beautiful. Physical world, beautiful. Because OBO, he like Chioma. Chioma self, he like her. God don't assign her. Abro, who's call you for the matter? You dey choke your mouth, where you no suppose. You go carry your mouth, put there. Who call you for this matter? Nobody wants see you there. Oh. Leave Chioma and OBO. For destiny, God, they don't match them. They don't get pam wala. See as OBO they laugh. See as OBO they happy. See as OBO say, Chioma sabi cook. No only Chioma don't cook for OBO. You know see what in Sophia they do. You know here's what in Sophia they do. This thing what Sophia they do. No be Sophia they verse. Say OBO no choose her. He choose Chioma. I say make Sophia no wala o. No wala. Abro, I beg. Help us see Ghana people. Call Ghana people. Call na own Ghana musician. Tell them, talk dear. Now dear will say make you see. From your home, may you see people where you don't deliver. Then you go call Nigeria before we go believe you. Bro. Now wow. All this kind of thing no good. You no good now. You no be native doctor. You no be pastor. You just a spoil show. Okay, you be internet guesser. Bro. You are an internet guesser. Now you be. Sorry, I don't tell you. Leave Chioma and OBO. Their marriage now. Chioma and OBO, you are blessed. They know they ask her. What you supposed to do? You don't do her. Another one where we say make you do, you go still do her. OBO, don't worry. Girls, they come. Twins, baby girls, you go get her. Now me talk her. You go born there. Twins, baby girls. I know say you like her, da. Let's just say you call her da. Because you they like her. Waiting. The only bad thing you go to tell her. The only bad thing. OBO, me una no listen, me una close una ear. Chioma, me una hear that side. They go. Your mama blessing. The land of Igbo. Jehovah blessing is with you. Ghana seer, waka go.